Fellow travelers, welcome to our Jerusalem travel guide. Today, we'll take you on an exciting journey through this historic and vibrant city. From ancient wonders to cultural gems, Jerusalem has it all. Let's dive into the top 5 things to do here. Number 5. Explore the Old City. Our first stop is the heart of Jerusalem, the Old City. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a maze of narrow streets, filled with history and culture. Be sure to visit the Western Wall, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, and the Al-Aqsa Mosque. Don't forget to taste the local cuisine at the bustling markets. Number 4. Visit the Yad Vashem Holocaust Memorial. Next, pay a visit to the Yad Vashem Holocaust Memorial. This powerful museum and memorial honors the memory of Holocaust victims. It's a moving experience that reminds us of the importance of never forgetting. Number 3. Wander through the Mahane Yehuda Market. For a taste of Jerusalem's vibrant food scene, head to the Mahane Yehuda Market. Here, you'll find fresh produce, spices, and delicious street food. It's the perfect place to try local dishes like falafel, shawarma, and nafe. Number 2. Explore the Mount of Olives. The Mount of Olives offers breathtaking panoramic views of Jerusalem's skyline. Visit the Garden of Gethsemane and the iconic Chapel of the Ascension. It's a serene and spiritually significant location. Number 1. Discover the Israel Museum. Our final recommendation is the Israel Museum. This world-class institution houses a vast collection of art and artifacts, including the famous Dead Sea Scrolls. It's a fantastic way to delve into Israel's rich history and culture. There you have it, folks, 5 must-do activities in Jerusalem. Whether you're interested in history, spirituality, or simply savoring local flavors, this city has something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of Jerusalem. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides. Safe travels.